Well, thanks everyone for joining us today. We appreciate you taking the time to be here with us. Looks like we have quite a few people here, including measurement supervisors. We've got a couple I&E techs, calibration lab, and several Ralston distributors. Due to the number of attendees, I'm going to keep you on mute, but we would love to hear from you. We encourage you to ask questions, and you can do that in the Q&A section at the bottom, and we will answer those at the end. And if you have some general comments for the panelists or for everyone, you can use the chat at the bottom as well. My name is Griffin Ralston, and I'm CEO at Ralston Instruments. I've been here for 23 years, and today I'm joined with Gene Kobus, who is our distribution manager. Gene has been with Ralston Instruments for over 14 years. He has lots of knowledge of the Ralston quick test system and real-world applications. And with that, I will turn it over to Gene Kobus.
Thanks, Griff. Appreciate it. So for the last 54 years, we have been dedicated to simplifying the process of testing, calibration, and data management for our customers. We offer the widest selection of hose and adapters for pressure calibration and kits. We offer professional grade products made in the USA in our ISO 9000 accredited manufacturing facility. We offer products that are easy to use and maintain with standard tools and minimal training. We are a family-owned business with a long history of new product development, but most of all, we are here to make people's jobs easier. Today, we would like to focus on how the quick test system can streamline your workflow and help improve accuracy in measurements. We will discuss pressure connection challenges you face and our solutions to those challenges. We'll learn about the benefits that truly set the Ralston quick test system apart from the competition. We'll talk about some industry-specific applications for the quick test system. We will go over how to find the correct models and where to buy. And at the end, we'll take some time to answer your questions. With that, I'd like to start with a quick poll about what are some of the challenges you face? What types of connection problems have you seen? Please take a minute. The poll should show up on the screen here. Griff, should launch that here.
So it looks like, question one, what type of connection problems have you experienced during pressure testing and calibration? Looks like a decent number of people have unstable pressure and dropping pressure. How often do these types of connection problems occur? It looks like occasionally, so sometimes it's a problem. What factors contribute to these connection issues? And looks like environmental conditions, leaking hoses, or poorly sealing adapters are some of the problems. How do these issues impact your measurement tasks? Looks like sometimes it's a minor inconvenience, and several people said compromised data security or data accuracy. Okay, excellent. Thank you. Gene, take it away.
All right, so here are some of the common answers. What wastes your time, effort, and money? Vendors with long lead times means you must wait to get your job done. Not having the correct adapters when you show up at a job. Chasing leaks. Having to use a wrench and thread tape to connect to a transmitter or gauge can waste time. Some of the common connecting solutions on the market today are inexpensive plastic tubing. Comes with other manufacturers' pumps and calibrators. The heavy hydraulic hoses, instrumentation quick connects, expensive proprietary quick connects from manufacturers with few adapter choices. What are some of the problems customers have seen with these solutions? Plastic tubing can leak and is flexible, so it does not provide stable pressure. Hydraulic hoses take a lot of gas or liquid to pressurize and can leak. Instrumentation quick connects have low pressure limits. Leaks can cause unreliable results, which may require tests to be repeated. So our solution is the Ralston quick test system. What is the Ralston quick test system? It's an innovative, high pressure quick connect system. It uses thread-on adapter and hose combination. The probe in the hose and the seal in the adapter make a leak-free connection. So why the Ralston quick test system? Quick test is safe. It's self-venting. It will vent before a hose will blow off. Strain reliefs prevent damage and twisting of the hose. All hose adapters have a 4-to-1 factor of safety for extra peace of mind. Quick test is simple. It is a simple design with no moving parts to fail. The design eliminates virtually all leaks. The Ralston quick test system is designed for quick and easy connection and disconnection, often without the need for tools or tape. This significantly reduces setup time and improves efficiency, especially in field applications. Quick test is high pressure. The standard quick test adapters and hoses are for applications up to 5,000 psi. And the quick test XT system is a 10,000 psi system of adapters and hoses for higher pressure applications. Quick test is durable. The quick test hose has a unique construction. The braiding gives the hose its strength as a polyamide, which is used in bulletproof vests. It has a reflective outer cover that keeps pressure stable when the sun comes out. A strong inner core does not deform as you move the hose around, which keeps pressure stable. A small inner diameter means low volume, so it preserves gas or liquid during test. And the quick test hose is very flexible, so it bends in tight areas. Quick test is reliable. All quick test components are made of high quality stainless steel or brass. Ralston Instrument employs a rigorous testing and quality assurance process. Components are designed to handle a wide temperature range in difficult environments of the field. Every product meets our high standards for performance and reliability, backed by our quality ISO 9001 certification. Quick test is compatible. With quick test system, you can connect to virtually any of the most common pressure references, hand pumps, calibrator, and pressure gauges in the industry. Quick test is adaptable. We have a wide array of quick test adapters for virtually any device under test. You can connect to all standard pressure devices, whether imperial or metric. Many have O-ring seals, so no thread sealant is required. We have adapters to all pressure gauges, differential pressure transmitters, and tube fittings. We also can adapt from other connection systems to quick test. Quick test is flexible. Quick test connection gives you the flexibility to be prepared with everything needed for a job. We have kits that are customized to specific industries such as field calibration transmitters and pressure gauge calibration. We offer a universal hose and adapter kit, the one that has one each of the most common adapter and hoses. These kits, they'll help you be prepared for any connection that arises. In the slide here, you'll see our most popular kit in the case, the QTHA Kit 4. Customers always comment how they love the selection of adapters and they love having it all in one case and easy to access. We also offer many smaller kits that come in the Ralston heavy duty nylon bags. And if you go to the website and just search hose and adapter kits, you'll see a wide range of kits that we offer. A quick test is convenient. You can go to a single vendor for all your connection needs. Ralston distributors can deliver quickly from their stock or with short lead times from the factory. It's easy for you to select the correct adapter with our online search tools. Time savings. Customers who permanently install quick test adapter with a cap and chain on each of their pressure instruments in their facility will have fast access whenever they need to calibrate their device. This cuts test and calibration time in half because it eliminates all setup time. This also eliminates leaks due to repeated use of thread tape and wrench tightening of adapters. Quick test is customizable. Hoses can be customized for specific applications. Our hose configurator can help you pick whatever combination of hose ends and lengths needed. Hose ends can be mixed and matched for your application. As you see in the slide there, we have multiple tube stubs, 37-degree AN flare, medium pressure. The blue hoses you see at the bottom, that's our XT line with the 10,000 pound for higher pressure needs. So highly recommend using the tools to help you build your hoses. Quick test is configurable. There are several ways you can configure a quick test adapters for your application. Many adapters are available in brass or stainless steel. Pressure sealing caps are available option for most of our adapters. Internal check valves are available on many adapters for live pressure reading. Alternative seals such as Biton, EP, DM, and silicone are available for chemical or temperature compatibility. Quick test adapters can be oxygen supplied. Quick test adapters can be oxygen cleaned as well. Pressure test certificates can also be provided. The quick test system can be used in applications in multiple industries. Let's take a look at a few of those. There are several applications for quick test in oil and gas industry. Quick test system is ideal for calibrating pressure instruments used in oil and gas production, refining, and transmission. For pipeline and valves, the quick test system can be used for high accuracy leak testing, ensuring system integrity and environmental compliance. The portability of the quick test system makes it ideal for field technicians who perform on-site calibration and diagnostics. There are multiple applications for the quick test system in calibration laboratories. Combined with our 2 or 4-port manifolds, you can connect to any type of pressure gauge for test or calibration. Easily connect pressure gauges without using thread sealant. Connect to any type of pressure gauge without a wrench. So, if you're doing multiple calibrations in the lab, your customers can definitely use our Quick Connect system. No thread tape. I can't stress it enough. We use it every day in our lab. Saves time, which saves money. The utility industry in the quick test system can be used for calibrating pressure instruments and power gen facilities, including those for steam, gas, and hydroelectric power. Quick test system is also used for calibrating instruments that monitor pressure levels in water treatment and distribution systems. In the natural gas utilities, the quick test system can be used for ensuring the accuracy for pressure measurement in distribution networks. Quick test system is indispensable for helping technicians perform calibration of process control equipment in the pulp and paper industry. In maintenance application, the quick test system assists in diagnosing issues in production process by ensuring accurate pressure readings. So what's next? If you'd like to learn more about the quick test system, the Ralston Instruments website has extensive tools. One of the new tools is our application page section in the main navigation. These pages explain specific application and good solutions for them. We also have a variety of digital resources available to help you. Our YouTube channel has over 75 videos, including features and benefits, as well as how-to videos for many of our adapters. And if you follow us on Facebook or LinkedIn, we have quite a few suggestions and tips on how to use the quick test system. On our website, the adapter selection tool will help you select the correct adapter based on thread type, size, and features. It will provide a list of individual adapters or kits for your application. When you have found the adapters that you need, you can request a quote by using the Get a Quote button. The hose configurator allows you to build a custom hose to meet your exact specifications. You can select the hose ends, the length of the hose, and a data sheet will be created. When you are ready to buy, you can simply select the Get a Quote button. So how and where do you buy the Ralston Quick Test System products? Pick the models you are interested in, select the Get a Quote button. We'll send this to your nearest distributor who will then quote it. If you're not sure, you can contact our application engineering team. We'll be happy to help you out. And please tune in for upcoming Ralston Instruments webinars. Let's summarize. Today, we've discussed some of the common connection challenges you face, discussed the benefits of the quick test system, reviewed some industry-specific applications, talked about additional digital resources available to you, and learn how and where to buy. With that, we have some question and answers we can help you out with, and I'm going to send that back to Griff for that. Griff?
Excellent. Well, great job. Gene, thanks very much. I really appreciate that. A lot of good information. Just before we turn it over to question and answer, we'll be sending out a short survey after the webinar with a few questions. Please take take the time to complete it when you get that, and you'll get an email with that as well. So now we have a few minutes for some questions. Let me see. It looks like, does every item need an adapter? If you're adapting to like a tube fitting or a NPT, a pressure transmitter, a pressure gauge, you would typically use an adapter. Our hoses end in the quick test thread, and so between that quick test thread and the device that's being tested, you would typically need some type of adapter. So in most cases, you would. We do offer some of our gauges and things like that, and our hand pumps have the quick test thread on it. So if you're going to a hand pump or a gauge that's made by Ralston Instruments, it does not need an adapter. Please, like I said, put your questions in the Q&A and we'll answer those. Looks like why are the Ralston Quick Connects better than instrumentation Quick Connects? So the push to connect snap-on type Quick Connects, they typically, the Ralston Quick Test system goes to a higher pressure than the vast majority of the push to connect systems. And because they vent as the adapter is being removed, or the hose is being removed from the adapter, you don't have the possibility of the adapter or the hose blowing off. Oh, good question. What's the warranty on the Ralston quick test system? All of our hoses and adapters and all of our products are 1 year warranty. How quickly can you ship adapters? Our lead time is 2 weeks or less. But most of our distributors, Ralston distributors, have the most common adapters, really, and hoses in stock. Do you have adapters for Amatec crystal gauges? Yes, we do. Our medium pressure connections will connect directly to the crystal calibrators. Can you get adapters and hoses for oxygen service? Yes, we can provide adapters that have Viton seals. And then they're cleaned with Krytox and then tagged and bagged per the ASTM and ISO standards of oxygen compatibility. Do you have connections to the Anderson-Hauser transmitters? Yes, we have connections to Anderson-Hauser, Rosemont, Honeywell, Yokogawa, Anderson Greenwood, all of the major brands of transmitters. And if you can search for those on the website using the adapter finder. You can enter by the thread type, and it'll look that up easily. It'll also offer some kits if you search by a model number of a transmitter that you're looking for. It'll give you a kit that contains that adapter. Well, we really appreciate your time today. And we will definitely be sending out we'll be sending out a survey, and please take the time to complete that survey, as we learn a lot from that. What potential topics you may be interested in hearing next time, and thanks again. Appreciate your time today.
Yeah, and remember, if there's any follow-up questions after this, you can, on our website, there's a contact us or to get a quote. Please feel to contact us with any information you need on the Ralston system. Be more than happy to help you out.
Excellent.
Thanks, Griff.
All right.
Good
thanks,
job.
everyone. Excellent.
Thanks, everyone. Bye.
All right. Thanks, Gene. Take care. All right. Bye-bye.